action, kicking it back and relaxing. Give me the mic, give me the phone.
She didn't make the right choices at one point in her life, but I love her and I don't get mad at her because I want to be like her one day. My name is Evie, I'm 5 years old and I'm HIV positive.
The light of day turns gray. Can you use the rain?
There are hardly ever any tears.
I met a man
I met a woman
who's HIV positive. Half of them didn't cry when they found out that life was just getting a little harder.
and our hearts feel like the winds of a hurricane.
As we press our ears against the pages of their stories, we find power in the tremble of their voices, metaphors in their lives.
For Rico. I'd cry if I had cancer. Because this, I can live with. I met a man with the will of an ant, a warrior, with the shard of the moon's gleam for a sword. He's HIV positive and tells me that this is nothing but a burden, not a one-way ticket to death, not a reason for the sun to disown him, that cancer. Pray like this: God, help my son. As I look at him now, I want to hate him. I want to despise myself for aiding you and creating him. But he's my son, the positive, the faggot. Lord, be merciful.
And I must be going crazy, because what keeps me going is knowing that you love me enough to hate that of which I've become. And I mean, the way the word faggot rolls off your tongue and kisses my tears, it's kind of comforting.
Then 07 gave me a key called HIV, and with every lock I unlocked left me with a puzzle piece. As I put these jagged colored pieces together, I created a cathedral called me.
There are all these people who don't know
That if you get in a group of 20 and you won't be infected.
There are all these people who don't know
that HIV is a disease that creeps up and snatches your children and your mothers.
Sisters and brothers.
It takes one night to determine the rest of your life.
It takes 20 minutes.